Let's check this out. What do we got? 90 centimetres. Cool. G'day there. Let's check out our brand new 12-volt waterproof magnetic LED light strip. And did I mention it's 90 centimetres? So this little cracker has 3 lighting modes. You've got your amber, which the bugs don't like. You've got your white light, or you've got both, and they're all dimmable. So that's really, really cool. You also have 2 mounting options. So you can permanently mount this with the brackets at each end. And we do give you the stainless steel hardware, so nothing's going to rust either. You beauty. With the magnetic base, it'll stick like flies to a meat pie. With KickAss products, it's going to be energy efficient and uses a B-stick over 1 amp with both lights on flat knacker. It is so hard to show off how cool this light really is, but let me kill the lights and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the amber on low, and it's a really nice light. Now, if you really want to crank it up, there we go. And there's your white light on fully dimmed mode. Now I'm going to crank that all the way up too. You absolute ripper. And there you have both on low and both on high. We interrupt this broadcast for a brief word from our sponsors.
Did I mention they're waterproof?
Thank you very much. Back to normal programming. So we also throw in the 2.5 metre harness. Now that just screws into the LED light, and there you got your bare wire, so you can put an Anderson plug, you can hook it up to a KickAss switch panel, you name it, there you go, you beauty. So there you have it, the KickAss 12-volt waterproof magnetic 90 centimetre LED light strip. Head online or head in store today. You ripper.